Previously on SolarBalls. After a long time outside of their orbits, the planets are ready to head back, but they'll soon discover that the moons have replaced them.
You think the Earth made it back?
Based on the way he pulled off his gravitational slingshot, I'd say he's safe and sound back in his orbit.
Yeah, you're right. So good to finally be done with all this drama, right guys?
For sure! First we had this moon revolution situation, then everything involving Planet X, and now Earth getting lost. I wouldn't mind a little break. I agree. Just us planets doing planet stuff.
Don't you think the sun's gonna be a tinsy bit mad we all left?
Yeah, guys. When Venus and I left, the sun was already on edge. I think
Don't worry, guys. I can be persuasive. Besides, it's not as if he can replace us.
Titania!
Luna? I haven't seen you in a while.
Care to explain all of this?
It is exactly what it looks like.
So you decided the moons would take over the entire solar system?
I decided to stop waiting in the asteroid belt like a couple of loyal pets or something.
Titania, the planets are all on their way back. The Earth got lost and everyone—
The planets are coming back? Then they have some explaining to do. To the sun and to all of us.
Please, you have to speak to the sun. You can't turn your back on—
I didn't turn my back on my planet, Luna. I tried with Uranus. I really did.
Titania!
I'm happy the Earth is back in one piece. Be sure to protect it, okay?
You've never met my planet, have you?
Huh?
Maybe it's time you do.
Well, this is it for us.
Thanks for everything, Pluto. None of this would have been possible without you and the other dwarf planets.
For sure. Dwarf planets are so underrated, mate.
I'm happy we helped.
Next time the solar system's in peril, you know where to find us.
Are you saying you're my friend?
Of course I am.
Really? The last time we talked was in 2006, right before I got demoted from the planet group.
Oh. We need to change things around here. What do you mean? I mean, we are not babies anymore. To be acting as if the dwarf planets don't exist, or as if the moons are lower-class celestial bodies, or making Uranus jokes left and right.
I'm actually trying to be okay with the whole joking about my name thing.
Once we are back, things will be different. We will be a united solar system. We will fix our relationships and never again overlook anyone for being small or shy or any of that.
I'm with you, big guy.
Let's do it!
Woohoo! Nine Neptune!
You've been awfully quiet,
Am I the only one worried?
so you don't buy this happy kumbaya facade.
Not for a minute. They don't know the sun like I do. Luna! Hey, was wondering where you'd— Look out! Oh! Sorry, so sorry! Are you two okay?
Yeah, just— it's kinda chaotic around here.
To be fair, we crossed his orbit.
I guess that's what you get when you cram almost 300 moons in one astronomical unit.
What are you trying to say?
The sun has placed every single moon between Mercury's orbit, which is at 0.4 astronomical units, and Mars's orbit, which is at 1.5 astronomical units. That's almost 300 celestial bodies sharing the space that used to be occupied by just 4 rocky planets.
I know, but space is quite big, Earth. We can all make this work.
Don't discount orbital resonances or gravitational perturbations. I know my fair share about this.
Titania, Uranus's former moon. So what if there are some disturbances?
With this many celestial bodies in this cramped space, close encounters will be a lot more common. And then, most of the moons will collide, or fall into the sun, or be ejected away from the solar system, or form a new asteroid belt. In short, it will not be nice.
I
And
didn't—
regarding moons with atmospheres, unless the atmospheres are strong, solar radiation will simply strip them away in these orbits. But again, that's the least of our concerns, right?
I don't know what to say.
Watch it!
But this is my orbit. Maybe my gravity pulled you in?
All I know is I was moving forward and we almost crashed.
That's so weird.
I need to think.
Think? Why? What's there to...
She's the one who convinced the sun to change the planets for the moons.
Wait, what? Why would you...
Because you were all gone, and I wasn't willing to return to Uranus.
Is she making a Uranus joke? Come on, Earth!
I appreciate your insights, Earth, but we're done talking.
Well, that was rude. 2, 1, and...
Yo, it's the Earth.
And Luna! Thanks for watching our show. I hope you're learning a thing or two about space.
Or if not, that you're at least having fun.
Earth, the whole point of solar balls is that we do both.
Well, no one told me that.
It's in the script.
Anyways, if you like us, and by us, I mean our show, then we invite you to support our talented team of writers, animators, and everyone else who makes this possible.
If you'd like to help, we have the Patreon where you can get early episodes, learn tons of secrets about the future of the show, and have your name in the credits.
But if merch is your thing, then oh boy, do we have some cool stuff in our store. You can get plushies of me and Luna.
And many other characters, as well as our very own trading card game, Solar Cards.
Oh yeah, we did a whole Kickstarter and all, and it's such a fun game to play with your friends and family while you learn about space.
Or just to collect them all. Look, Earth, it's me but made of bricks.
Samesies! Anyways, thank you for your support and enjoy the rest of the show.
I saw you speaking to the Earth and Luna. All good?
Yes, all good, Titan. Turns out our initial plan was a bit reckless.
Phew! Okay, happy to hear you're coming to
We
reason.
need to expand our territory. Moons who want to develop life will stay in the inner regions, and the rest can spread across the outer regions.
Wait, hold on! That can't be your solution!
You got a better idea?
Let's help the planets return and just let things go back to normal!
When we met, you told me to join your revolution, Titan. And I did, but only because me and the rest of Uranus's moons had nowhere to go. I'm happy you all found your peace with your planets, but I haven't.
Then I can't follow you.
Then don't! No one's forced you to do anything. Son, I need to discuss our current distribution. The inner solar system may be too tight a space to...
Well, look who decided to return.
What the actual... Son? What happened? Titania?
Oh, sorry everyone. My solar system's not a hotel. You leave your home, you find a new one.
Son, come on, let me explain what
I
happened.
warned you about this, Jupiter. You of all planets should have known I will not tolerate this anymore. And you too. I am so disappointed in you.
We can explain everything, but you need to listen to us. Please, son.
I will not outright kick you out.
Phew, that was a close
thank
one.
you,
That's
son.
amazing news.
But I do not want you anywhere near me. The inner solar system is now the home of 290-something moons. My new rocky planets.
Wait, what?
So, from now on, you will all inhabit the outer solar system.
Son, you can't do
And
this.
if any of you dares cross the asteroid belt, then I'll turn you into the new Planet X.
Don't worry, Mars. I'm okay.
Thanks for watching! Oh, and the next episode is already on Patreon, so watch it a week early by joining. Also, consider checking out our Solar Balls store to get exclusive plushies and solar cards. Bye!